channel, go ahead and hit that like button for me. If you are new, hello, my name is Sugar. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're getting more affordable hair content from me. And today we're going to be doing a Nadula install on this little orange fall moment. If you are feeling it, stay tuned. Okay, sweeties, so as you saw, I removed that fake scalp out of the wig because it was way too light for me. So I thought I had a better chance of just putting my liquid foundation on the inside like usual to bring some of my natural color back into the wig. To be honest, the orange hair is probably a little bit more difficult than the blonde hair. And I know that sounds crazy, but I went through several powders to finally get a color that was okay in the scalp and made it look a little bit more natural. I usually use like the Fit Me 330, and that's for all my wigs, but that was way too light next to the orange hair. So I just kept messing around, trying different powders. I finally decided to use my contour shade, and that worked out pretty good. So just keep a shade or two darker powder around for situations like this. And I put on 3 layers of Got To Be spray. And yeah. So I'm just tweezing it here. I would say that I don't usually do baby hairs with blonde hair or any colored hair unless it's like a really deep shade. But I was just kind of experimenting here, trying to see how the baby hairs would turn out. I probably would not wear it again with the baby hair, but I just feel like with blonde hair and colored hair, it should look like it's just coming out of the scalp. You don't want to do too much, and sometimes the baby hairs read as doing too much. But that's just, each his own. But probably better to get a regular 4x4 just because when you're plucking it, that is the huge base of it looking super natural. And with these T-part type of closures, you cannot personalize it as much. So keep that in mind. But after I tweezed it before I put the baby hairs down, it did look just fine. But yeah, I went ahead and did the baby hairs anyways. But yes, I really suggest buying colored wigs either with a regular 4x4 or a 13x4. I think it's just better to personalize them that way. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Super cute, super fall time. Just want to give you guys a little orange mood today. I'm really feeling this. And that is that. I want to thank you guys for watching. It is Friday, so I hope you had an amazing Friday. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you're getting more affordable hair content from me. And I want to thank Nadula Hair for this video. And that's all. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay sweet.